What is up, guys? In today's video, I'm going to show you the top 7 websites where you could be making $100 a day even if you're broke. That's right, you don't need any money to start up. So if you really are committed, show me you're committed by hitting that subscribe button below. And if you enjoyed the video, especially at the very end, hit the like button as well. That's greatly appreciated. But if you have already gone and done that, then let's jump straight into it with our first website, and that is Pierfly. Now, what Pierfly.com allows us to do is we can actually earn money through a CPA, so cost per action. And so yes, it might be very similar to affiliate marketing, but what most affiliate marketing platforms do or companies do is they'll actually give you a commission per sale. So in order for you to make money, you would actually have to get a customer to make a purchase through your link. And so what you're going to be doing with Pierfly is you're actually going to be promoting companies with their signups, okay? So for example, you can post your link, promote your link anywhere and actually get a paid percentage per sign up rather than actually getting paid just for a commission from a sale. So if we take Fiverr, for example, you can actually put a link out there. You can maybe get your family to do it, friends to do it, or if you have a big following, put it out there as well. And what that means is if you get maybe like 100 people or so to sign up, you could be making really good money through Fiverr sign up. And so basically you're going to be paid every time someone clicks onto your link, and especially if they sign up, so that cost per action. And that brings us on to number 2. And with our second website, we're going to be using Duda, okay? And what Duda is it's actually a platform that allows you to optimize mobile-friendly websites. So the way we can make money is you can actually go out to companies that have websites, say they have a desktop site, but they might have a really bad or really crappy mobile site. And so you're going to go to them and say, hey, this is where I find that your mobile site is lacking. Tell them what it is. So actually give that to them and then say, I can actually go in and I can actually make this a lot better for you and then also you can actually throw out stuff about how important it is to actually have a mobile website, give them some statistics if you like. But yeah, what you can do with Duda is actually take that and make it a mobile friendly optimized website for them. And another awesome thing with Duda is that you can actually start with a free trial. So like I was saying at the start, all these websites you can actually start broke. You don't have to have any money at all. And so you can actually get started straight away with that free trial and actually start contacting all these companies and letting them know that you can actually offer your service and create a much better mobile friendly website for them. And you can obviously charge whatever you feel is right, okay? So you can go out there, do some research if you like, see what other people are charging for web building. However, it's a very easy way to make at least $100 a day. Now coming at number 3, I'm going to give you 2 websites here because they both are very similar and you might already know them, and that is Fiverr and Upwork, okay? And so what Fiverr and Upwork do is they allow you to be a freelancer and you can go in and offer your specialty services, okay? So it doesn't matter whatever it is, find something that you're good at and then go through and you can sign up for free. It's completely free. Sign up, put your own little kind of ad up there and what you can do. So it doesn't matter, like I said, you can speak another language and teach it. You can maybe write out CVs or write out articles for people. You can even do voiceovers and create logos as well. It's completely limitless. So jump into those platforms and see what they have to offer, and I can guarantee you're going to be able to find something that you can do and freelance with. Now at number 4, and this actually goes hand in hand with Fiverr and Upwork as well, and that is called Canva, okay? And what you can do with Canva is you can go in and you can do graphic design basically. It actually simplifies it. So if you don't have Photoshop, if you don't want to spend a lot of money on that, or maybe you actually don't know how to use it, Canva is a really awesome website where you can just go through, they completely simplify it, and you can actually create all sorts of different things. You can create ebooks, you can create YouTube thumbnails, logos, all sorts. There's a whole range of things that you can do. And so that's what I mean when I was saying with Fiverr and Upwork is you don't have to be an expert graphic design. Maybe you have a keen eye for that design or for detail. So you can actually go through onto Canva, create an account. It's completely free. And then once you've created an account, you then list your services up on Fiverr and Upwork. And if you get a gig, you can go through and say, for example, you're offering your services to create YouTube thumbnails, or maybe you're creating logos. Then once you get that gig, head over to Canva and get to work, and you can start using all their awesome tools to be able to make some money. And when using Canva, it can actually take you just 10 to 20 minutes to actually get that project completed and sent out to your buyer. So as I said before, go check it out, go sign up and get started with some designs and selling to those buyers and start making that money. You can easily build this one up to $100 per day. And at number 5, we have Lime, and this is actually a website or a company that is dependent on your location, okay? Because not everywhere in the world has Lime scooters. They're popping up every now and then all over the United States. Down here in New Zealand, we even have them. And the way you can make money is you can actually be I think they call them boosters or chargers. So you can actually go through and you can actually charge these Lime scooters. So Lime themselves, they actually give you the tools for them. And so all you have to do is you just access through your application, you go around, you go look for all the Lime scooters that are pretty much nearly dead or are already dead and out of battery. And so you go around, pick them up. You can pick as many as you like up, and then you're going to take them home, charge them up, and then get them delivered the next morning. And by doing this, you can actually decide how much you get paid, because like I said, you get paid per scooter you pick up. So if you go around and pick up 10, 20, 30 scooters, then you're gonna make a lot of money. And I do actually know a guy that comes around by my work every single day, and what he does is he's actually made a custom built trailer, custom built roof racks, and I see him driving home every single day loaded up with about 20 to 30 Lime scooters. It's actually pretty awesome. And the funny thing is as well, is he actually turns up early morning, he'll drop off his Lime scooters, he'll leave his trailer behind, and then he'll go run Uber. He'll drive his car around running Uber throughout the day, and then he'll go around and he'll pick up some more Lime scooters once he's finished his shift, take them home, charge them up, and rinse and repeat. And he was saying he can make anywhere upwards of $300 to $400 a day just by doing that. Moving on to number 6 now, and this is probably one of my favorite websites. Such a cool place to go and actually rent out equipment and buy equipment, and that is called Phat Llama, okay? So Phat Llama, like I just said before, it actually allows you to go through and actually rent out your equipment. So maybe you have a drone that you hardly use, or your camera gear, microphones. There's plenty of things you can do, and I can actually show you right here. If we go through, we can have a look. So maybe just by browsing on the homepage here, you have some turntables. Maybe you don't have turntables, maybe you want better turntables for a gig, maybe you're stepping it up a level as a DJ. You can also get lenses on here if you don't have lenses, because lenses can be really, really expensive. You can get DSLR cameras. You can even just search in the search tab here. If we look for a drone, we can even get drones. So there's actually so much on there as well. So that's just renting. You can also buy stuff on it. But like I said, we're not looking to rent or buy anything. We're not looking to buy it or rent it for ourselves. We're looking to rent or sell to people. And so if you do have any gear that you want to rent out and make a little bit of extra cash, then go grab it, go list it onto Phat Llama, and you'll be able to make $100 a day, maybe even upwards of that, depending on what you got, especially if you got a drone. So what I'm doing with this buy section is I'm just giving you a perfect example of what you can actually be making. You can even see these drones right here. This is all in pounds, so in New Zealand dollars, we basically double that. So you could be making, 1,300. So I think that is roughly about 1,800 US dollars. I could be wrong, maybe 2,000 US dollars per day if you rent that out there. So like I said, you can just grab that gear, list it up, rent it out. It's really easy. People can find you on a location map. And another awesome thing with Phat Llama is you do get a referral bonus, so you can earn cash for every person that you can actually sign up to Phat Llama. And now for our final website, coming at number 7 is MePick.com. Now what MePick.com allows you to do is it allows you to upload your artwork. So anything that you've created, you upload, and they're actually able to put it onto different like canvases, they can put it onto clothing, everything like that. And so if we go onto the website here, you can actually see how it works. So you're gonna share your art. So basically you upload your artwork to there, so that's called share your art. So you upload it, they check it all, make sure the resolution's all good. So make sure you're uploading high quality images or artwork. And the second step is they're gonna bring your art to life. And by doing that, they're actually gonna showcase it on a range of different items that people can buy. So it could be a t-shirt, it could be jeans, it could be, like I said, a canvas. It could even be pillows as well. And so they can showcase it for you to be able to share to people and actually sell it. And MePick.com handle everything. So starting from the printing to the shipping and then even to the customer service, in case anybody is wondering where their order is, MePick have got you covered. And the third step is you become a designer. Okay, so if they love your stuff and you're putting up quality art or quality pictures, MePick are going to then share your designs and drive people to your gallery. So you can actually make sales with people using your art for their products that they want to buy. And MePick actually give you the tools to help you promote your products, whether it's to your friends, your family, or to your followers. And like you can see here, you can make up to 20% commission on every sale. And lastly, step 4, once you've actually uploaded your design, you've made some sales, you then got to get paid. And the way you're going to get paid is by PayPal, which is such an awesome way to get paid. It gets straight into your account, and then you can do what you like with it. You can keep it there, you can transfer it to your bank account. You choose what you want to do. So that's a wrap, guys, with my top 7 websites where you could be making $100 per day. Like I said, even if you're broke, so go out there, go get started, okay? You've got 7 different options. You can choose 1, choose 2, choose all of them, but I would advise you to start with 1, master that, get that one up to $100 a day, and then you can move on from there. As I said at the beginning, guys, if you are truly committed to making that $100 a day, then you should be truly committed to hitting that subscribe button. So it is right there below, or you can actually find it on one of the 2 beside me, as well as another little video that you can watch. So hit that subscribe button, even hit the bell next to it, because then you're going to know when I bring out another video. And lastly, if you enjoyed the video and you are browsing those websites, hit that like button and leave me a comment. Tell me which one is your favorite website and which website you're going to pursue to make that $100 a day. But that is all from me, and we'll see you guys in the next one.